Hi everyone. Today we are going to discover two new databases from RB Digital, Hoonuit, an online training software that allows you to take self-paced courses, and Transparent Language, a database that lets you discover and learn new languages. So let's take a view on this Hoonuit video where you go to click on Digital Library, scroll all the way down, and look for the Hoonuit site. You click on View Resource and click on Sign In, and you will need to register an account with RB Digital. Once you look for this registered an account, you fill in the blanks and fill in all of the information that is left blank, and please have your library card ready. Once you have been sign on, you'll click on Hoonuit and you'll click on Checkout. Once you click on Checkout, you'll click on Access. It would then take you to the Hoonuit site where you can browse and look through all the software training that you can do, which includes self-paced learning classes that you can follow along with videos and tutorials. Now there's different categories that you can browse where you can do on student training, scheduled training, software training as well. You'll look and see there's Office 365, the Studio, and a lot of software training that you'll be able to find out with Microsoft, with also how to learn, you learn how to do Zoom, Acrobat, WeVideo, all this information free at your fingertips with your Nueces County Library card. All this and more can be accessed with your library card on RB Digital with the Hoonuit site. You can find online modules, do quizzes, and see how you can follow along with all these tutorials. Once you browse through all these sites and these tutorials, you'll take a look and you can see all your accomplishments and where you've done and what you've done so far. You'll see different reports that you can also do by following your account. So take a browse on Hoonuit and look at this new software that we have with your Nueces County Library card. This is all featured on our website. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us. Now on to our new database, Transparent Language. You will have to have a username required, and this new database will learn a new language. So you'll go ahead and click on Digital Library and scroll all the way down and look for Transparent Language on our databases. Once you find the Transparent Language online, you'll view this resource. And if you already have your RB Digital username account, all you do is sign on with your username and password. And once you sign on, you'll click on Transparent Language and click on Checkout. That will take you, when you click on Access, to the Transparent Language page. Oops, something went wrong. We'll try and do something else. So we'll go ahead and exit out and click on Access again. Once that will take you to the Transparent Language website. You will see the online terms of use and click on that to continue, to agree, and also their privacy policy where you'll, if you would like to agree, and you continue on to their website. This will take you to their website, and you'll see there's many different languages that you can choose to learn. You'll see there's Spanish, Chinese, German, and all these. So let's take a look at Spanish. For those that want to learn Spanish to English. Once on here, you'll see the home page and learn a new language. There are 3 screens that you can learn, and there's new material that you can also find as well. You can also learn different vocabulary on there and favorite activities that you want to do at any time. You can explore and navigate around the website as you like when you feel the need to. There's also some goals and streaks that you can also do with this new database. So if you'd like to go around and browse and explore this new database, please feel free to do so. You can do practice modules. There's also quizzes, and there's also, you can also do, for those that want to do the immigration classes, you can also do that as well. And if you have a problem with that, you can always call us. There's also a mobile app that you can download as well. But make sure you always have your library card ready in hand. We want to thank everyone for joining us for learning these 2 new databases with us, Hoonuit and Transparent Language. Now available with Nueces County Keychain Library Card, Hoonuit, Universal Language, Universal Class, Transparent Language, and Hoopla. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us or email us. We're here for you 24/7 as we would like to be. Thank you and have a great day.